Guys, welcome to Ishan's Biker Mania. So today we're gonna make chicken burgers. It's very easy. So let's start. For making, we'll take a saucepan and make it hot. Then we'll add oil, about 2 tablespoons. And I prefer if you use extra virgin olive oil for the chicken burgers. But if you don't have olive oil, you can always use a normal sunflower oil. Once the oil is sizzling like this, we'll add our onions. While the onions are in the saucepan, we'll add our garlic. While the onions are in, we'll add a little bit of sugar just to caramelize the onions. I'm using brown sugar. You can also use white if brown is not available. And while the sugar is in, we'll just add a little bit of salt. And then wait until it's golden brown. So guys, my onions are golden brown now. And we'll close our gas and leave it to cool down. So guys, once our onion and garlic mixture is done, we'll just add it into our blender. We'll add fresh mint leaves. This smells so good actually. The fresh mint leaves. And I'm adding it in a nice quantity because I love the mint flavor. Then I'll add the coriander. And then we'll about blend it. Once you blend it a little bit, we'll add red chili powder. If you have paprika, you can also use paprika. Then I'll add a little bit of the garlic paste. Something about half a teaspoon of water. If you like a little bit of tanginess, you can always use lime juice instead of water. Once that's in, we'll again mix it for about 10 seconds. Blender will become a green paste like this. So at that point of time, we'll add our bread. I've taken about 4 slices and I'm adding the bread because it absorbs the moisture, so which is very good for the burgers. You have to remove the brown part and just put the white part on. Again close the lid for straight now for about 30 seconds on speed max. So it looks like our bread has absorbed all the moisture from it. And now we'll remove it into a bowl. Same mixer will add a chicken breast. I have now diced it. And then we'll add a breast in it. If you have a chicken mincer, you can also put it in the chicken mincer and then mince the chicken. Or else you can directly buy the store-bought chicken mince. But I prefer taking a chicken breast and putting in a mixer so we can make the fresh mince. And then we'll grind it. Chicken mince has been ready. In the bowl I've combined our green paste and our minced chicken. The same bowl we'll add about 1 small teaspoon of white sugar, about half a teaspoon of onion powder, and about 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And then we'll combine the whole dough. So guys, once you combine it, we'll add about half a tablespoon of oregano and then half a tablespoon of chili flakes. Chili flakes and oregano is optional. We'll combine it again. So guys, once you have combined all the dough, top, we'll just add about half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and then leave it in the same place for about half an hour. And this burger patties can stay in the fridge for up to 2 days. It has been half an hour now. And now let's form the dough into some patties. Before we do that, we'll just mix it and take a huge ball and then just round it like this. So guys, for frying the patties in a pan, I'll just lightly oil the pan with about 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Because remember, in the patties we have already added oil, so we don't need to add much oil. And then wait until it gets hot. And remember one thing, your gas should always be on low. So guys, once the oil is hot, we'll add our beautiful and tiny patty. And remember one thing, we don't want the oil piping hot. We just want it to be sizzling hot like this. When I added the patty, it should be just lightly sizzling. Guys, it has been like 4 to 5 minutes now. Now time to flip our patty. Wow, it's looking so delicious. The perfect brown color from the outside edges and from the between. It's still raw, so we'll flip it once more. So we have to give in total of 2 flips, 3 minutes each side. While the patties are getting made, we'll make a burger sauce now. So in a bowl, I've added mayonnaise. Then let's add a ketchup. Once we add a ketchup, we'll just add a little bit of onion powder. And then mix it. Well, after mixing, our burger sauce is ready. Now it's time to construct our burger. First of all, on the top side, we'll add our burger sauce. Then spread it. You add a good amount of sauce. Once you spread it, on the other bun, I'll just add a little bit of my shredded lettuce. Then a little bit of onions. Onions is optional. If you like onions, you can add onions. I just like the crunch of the onions, that's why I'm adding onions. Then we'll add a burger tikki. And then there's one more important thing. Please comment down in 3, 2, 1. Hope you guessed it right. It's nothing but our burger cheese. And there goes a great slice of cheese. And then just put the bun on the top, dab it a little bit, and a tasty burger is ready. The burger has been ready, as you can see here. It's perfectly laminated from outside. And now time for the taste test, my favorite part. I just cut the burger in half. It was a smooth cut. And look from the inside. Perfectly laminated. And now let's take a bite. It's tasting so good. especially the crunch of the onion. From next time, you don't need to buy the burgers from outside. You can just try this recipe at home. Perfect. End of today's session. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, you can always ask me through my Instagram. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.